Hello, my name is Alfonso Torres Alvear. This is exercise of the sixth comparison, my house, garden and my back garden. 1. My house back garden is bigger than my front yard. 2. The front yard's ornamental plants are smaller than my backyard. 3. My friends say that front yard's flowers are more beautiful than my backyard. 4. In my house front yard I have a water source more wonderful than backyards. 5. I feel so excited I can see the army birds cuter than butterflies in my house backyard. 6. The plants my things in my front yard house in more difficulty than backyard. Exercise number 2. Weider and Mr. Alfonso. Weider. Good evening, sir. Do you have a reservation goods at? Can I help you? Alfonso. Thank you very much. I have a reservation for to order the name Mr. Torres. Waiter. Come on, sir, this is table. Alfonso. Could you change the table? I prefer order table like that. This table is more elegant than mine. Waiter. Sure, let me see. Here is your table. I will be your server. My name is Charlie. Alfonso. Good, Charlie. It's a pleasure. You are nicer than the other waiter, John. Waiter. Thank you, sir. When can I get you drink? Get day after you soda. Alfonso. No, thank you. The beer wine is better than soda. Could they has the menu? Waiter. Yes, sir. I will, but will the wine and the menu. Alfonso. Waiter. Un moment, please. Could the change my share? Because my share is the smaller than this. Waiter. Sure. This is the menu. I will wait in a few minutes. Alfonso. Thank you, Charlie. Of this mix, my wife. Waiter. Are you riders to Orleans? Can I recommend something? Orleans is fresher than fog. Alfonso. Weirdly, I learned the lamb cure they have the love the same menus please. I would prefer upper pie that high like lemon pie because it is more Jerty dan a pork pie. Blinded. Ensure your mail. Thank you very much.